accurate forecast. Meteorologist Carrie Rose.
Good morning. We are looking off to the east from our rooftop camera. I can hear it. The rain is steady coming down as it has been doing for most of the night. Let me show you what else is steadily coming down, and it's the snow as you head out into western and southwestern parts of our area out around Blacksburg. That's where we've been dealing with some of that snowfall. We'll get that view to you in just a moment. The weather pink and the blue that we're dealing with the greatest winter weather impacts into western and northwestern parts of Virginia. You can already see the rain being a big problem for us here. Changeover to snow continues to happen across the mountains and into southwest Virginia. This is all as a result of this storm system right here that is developing into a nor'easter. It will overspread rain, soaking rain. We're talking up to an inch here in central Virginia of rain, and then snow into many of our east coast states. So let's just zoom in a little bit tighter here, take this in, and you can see we've got things indicating that heavier rainfall that's tracking right over the metro area, right as many of you are probably trying to head out. It will be a sloppy day. Rain gear is an absolute must. In the blue along the ridge tops, that's where we're dealing with the snow already, and it expands all the way down through the valley down into southwestern parts of our area, which is where we have seen the snow falling. Look at this, already starting to cover the ground there and some of the roads as well. This was not sticking earlier this morning around 4:30, but now that that changeover has begun, it is going to be a mess. So if you're traveling anywhere into southwestern Virginia, that's a common route that I take to go see family. It will be rough going that way. So here's the big picture. I just want to show you this first before we zoom in tighter. Look at this huge snow swath all the way up into Maine, all the way up into upstate New York, and then back down to northern Virginia as we get through the rest of today and as the system intensifies. So if you're traveling north, you'll be dealing with this primarily snow system unless you're out along the coast a little bit closer in there. You'll deal with the rain like we are here in central Virginia, where temperatures are into the 40s, and that's about as good as it's going to get for today. Temperatures should be falling through the day as that colder air wraps around the developing nor'easter, putting us into the mid-30s just after sunset, and it will be a bit gusty today. So the snow primarily stays into far western parts of the state until after lunch. That's when it's going to start with that colder air to wrap on into central Virginia. And I know this is still showing up as green, but I still think in Richmond this afternoon we will see some snowflakes mixed in with that. But let me show you where I expect the sticking snow to happen. Anywhere in the white and the pink, you will see these snowfall accumulations. In the white, 1 to 3 inches. In the pink, 3 to 6 inches, with the higher terrain having that potential for some isolated higher snowfall totals. Now tomorrow we will get another quick disturbance passing over us for Thanksgiving Day. It could produce some scattered light flurries or light snow showers. I expect us to be variably cloudy and cold for your Thanksgiving afternoon. Robin Reba.
All right, thanks a lot, Carrie.